Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word scats in depth. First, the definition. Scats means droppings of wild animals used to study their habits and diets. Think of it simply as animal poop that tells us stories about wildlife. Sometimes scats help scientists learn what animals eat and where they travel. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Scats traces back to the Greek word skatos, meaning excrement, first recorded in the 19th century. Over time, it's been used by naturalists and biologists. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use scats in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Researchers found fresh scats near the river to analyze the local wildlife diet. Correct example 2. The tracker identified animal scats to determine which species passed through the area. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to scats my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using scats correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Scats means droppings of wild animals used to study their habits and diets. It comes from the Greek word skatos, meaning excrement, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with scats down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.